Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install the MIUI 12 control center on any Android device. Step by step. Don't skip the video. Without wasting time, so let's start it. This is my default notification panel on my phone. This is the application that allows you to enable the MIUI 12 notification panel. Open the app. The application will request you to enable some permissions. In the first one you will press allow. Now go back to the main permission screen, then press the accessibility, then tap more service button. After that, you will be redirected to the accessibility settings. Then, go to the more downloaded services, then tap Mi Control Center section and turn on the accessibility option. Go to third option in the main permission screen. Then press allow to modify system settings. Again, in the last one notification option, you will grant permission to Mi Control Center. You are almost done with the initial configuration. The app will let you know that you can configure your swipe area as you want. You can also swipe in the empty spaces or near the edges of the screen to switch between panels. Finally, the app will warn you that the system can kill this app if you close it from the recent apps. To prevent closing this app, you must open the recent apps and you have to long press Mi Control Center to lock this app into memory. Customization. Finally, the main menu of the app will appear. Here you will find a variety of customization options. You can switch between the notification shade and control center. You can also change the size of the status bar swipe area and swap their positions. Main menu. In the layout section, you can change the shape of the icons. You can also show the media player above the tiles. In the colors option, you can change the background type and background color, notifications background colors, text color, and many other settings. The app includes a function to manage data usage. The control center of MIUI 12 has proven to be one of the most outstanding features of this new version, which is worth adding to your device. In the same way, this application, which is developed by an independent company, gives a twist, adding even more possibilities of customization than the original version. Plus, this app will help you enjoy one of the most recent features even before the users of MIUI 12. Large companies like Xiaomi should follow the example given by this great community of developers behind. You can customize the color of the control center very well. You can open the application and customize it. Follow me on how I change. So how to install MIUI 12 control center in your phone? First, go to Google Play Store and install MIUI 12 control center. After installing, open the application and customize it as you like. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.